Mathematics Class 12, Chapter 9, Differential Equations. In the last class, we have started solving the differential equation. We have done the first method, that is by separating the variable. Today we shall solve homogeneous differential equation. Let us define what do we mean by homogeneous function. A function f of xy is said to be homogeneous function of degree n if f of lambda x lambda y is equal to lambda power n f of xy for any non-zero constant lambda. So if you have got a function of this kind, then we call homogeneous function. That means in function each individual term have got the same power. For example, if you have got a function of the form x square y plus x cube plus x y square plus y cube. Individual term you have to see. Now individual x square and y power 1. So individually the power of this term is 3. 2 plus 1. The power of this term is 3 because x cube. The power of this x power 1 plus y power 2. So total power is 3. And y cube means total power is 3. So here each term have got the power 3. So this kind of function we call it as a homogeneous function. Now let us define what do we mean by homogeneous differential equation. A differential equation of the form dy by dx equal to f of xy is said to be homogeneous if f of xy is a homogeneous function of degree 0. So if you have got a differential equation dy by dx equal to f of xy, where this is homogeneous function of degree 0, then this equation is called homogeneous differential equation. We have steps to solve homogeneous differential equation. To solve homogeneous differential equation of the type dy by dx equal to f of xy, first this f of xy you have to write as a g of y by x, call it number 1. Substitute y by x is equal to v, x you transfer, so y is equal to v into x. Differentiate with respect to x, y derivative is dy by dx equal to v into x, you have to use u into v. So v as it is, derivative of x is 1, plus x as it is, derivative of v dv by dx, call it number 2. Substitute the value of dy by dx from 2 in 1, so we'll substitute the value of dy by dx from number 2 here, this one here, and instead of y by x we'll substitute the value v. So equation 1 becomes v plus x dv by dx. I am putting dy by dx value as this value equal to g, and y by x we are putting as v. Transfer this over v over this side, it becomes negative v, gv minus v. Now we have to separate the variable, so this v term will go with dv and x and dx will come here. Separating the variable, so dv by gv minus v equal to dx by x. Okay, interchange dx and x here and gv minus v over here. Now integrating both the sides, so we get integral dv by gv minus v equal to integral dx by x plus c. Now you have to solve this and place the value of v back to get the solution or general solution of the given differential equation. So this is the method of solving homogeneous differential equation. Using these steps we shall solve exercise 9.5. In each of exercise 1 to 10, show that differential equation is homogeneous and solve each of them. So first you have to check whether they are homogeneous and then we have to solve them. So number 1, x square plus xy dy is equal to x square plus y square dx. First we have to write this in dy by dx equal to f of xy form. So this dx I am transferring here, so dy by dx, and this x square plus xy transferring here, it will go in the denominator, so we get x square plus y square divided by x square plus xy. Now call this as f of xy. Okay, and now we have to put instead of x lambda x and instead of y lambda y. So I put here lambda square x square plus here lambda square y square, here x square lambda square x square plus here x lambda x and y lambda y. So you get lambda square. Now lambda square you take common, okay, from the numerator denominator. So you get here x square plus y square plus xy in the denominator. Now lambda 2 minus 2, so lambda power 0, and this is f of xy. So we can say that therefore f of xy is homogeneous function of degree 0, and therefore given differential equation is homogeneous differential equation. Now we have to solve these. So for first step is taking y is equal to vx. Then you take y is equal to vx, differentiate with respect to x. So y is dy by dx equal to v as it is, derivative of x with respect to x is 1, I have not written, plus x as it is, derivative of v with respect to x is dv by dx. Okay, I am taking this differential equation dy by dx equal to x square plus y square divided by x square plus y square. Now we will substitute this dy by dx value as this, and instead of y we will put vx. So dy by dx I am putting the value this v plus x dv by dx equal to x square plus instead of y vx whole square plus divide by x square plus x instead of y vx. So here x square, here x square, take common. from numerator denominator. So here remains 1 plus v square, here denominator remains 1 plus v square, sorry 1 plus v. Cut x square remains 1 plus v square divided by 1 plus v. Now here this v is there, you transfer over here, you get minus v, and here remains x dv by d is equal to 1 plus v square divided by 1 plus v minus v. Take LCM here, 1 plus v square minus v, this you multiply, 1 plus v into v divided by 1 plus v. This you open, so here 1 plus v square as it is, minus v into 1 minus v, minus plus minus v into v square divided by 1 plus v. V square plus v square minus cut, you get 1 minus v divided by 1 plus v. Now you have to separate the variable, so 1 plus v you transfer here, it will go numerator, and 1 minus v you transfer, it will go in the denominator. Here dv equal to x you transfer, it will go denominator, dx you transfer, it will go numerator. Now integrating both the side. So integrating, I am separating this 1 by 1 minus v and v by 1 minus v. So integral 1 by v1 minus v, this divided by the dv plus v by integral v by 1 minus v dv equal to this side integral dx by x. Now this integral we have to, I will see here v is there, here 1 minus v, so both the powers are same. So we try to get the numerator like the denominator by either multiplying something or minusing something or adding something or dividing by something. Okay, so I will here minus v, so I'll multiply first minus v and I'll add 1 and minus 1, okay, to get 1 minus v here. So integral first term is as it is, dv divided by 1 minus v minus, see since I am making this is minus v, I need minus v here, so here also making minus and minus here, so minus a minus plus. Okay, so I put here minus v and added 1 and minus 1, and denominator as it is, dv equal to this side also as it is. Then this is still as it is, integral dv by 1 minus v, and this I am separating, this divided by this, 1 divided by this, so minus integral 1 minus v divided by 1 minus v, minus a minus plus integral 1, that is integral dv into 1 is dv divided by 1 minus v equal to integral dx by x. Now we can integrate, this can be cancelled, so you get 1. So this is as it is, this is as it is, and this is same term. Okay, so I have just added together integral dv by 1 minus v integral dv by 1 minus v, that gives you 2 times integral dv by 1 minus v, and this you can cut, so you get integral dv equal to integral dx by x. Now let us integrate, this is 1 by v form, that is 1 by x form, so answer is log. So my 2 log 1 minus v, coefficient of v is minus, so multiply, divide by minus 1. Okay, I have multiplied, minus 1 if you divide or multiply it is the same, so it is minus here. Minus integral of this is v equal to integral of this is log x plus c. Then I am transferring this plus c over here, so you get minus c minus v here, and minus 2 log 1 minus v I am transferring here becoming plus, and these 2 can be taken as a power, so you get plus log 1 minus v whole square, and this log x is here, and here we can use the log property. Before using the log property we can place the value of v back. Okay, we have taken as y by x. Okay, we have assumed v is equal to, if x you transfer here, v is equal to y by x, so you put v is equal to y by x, so I have put here instead of v minus y by x minus instead of c as it is, log x as it is, plus log 1 minus instead of v y by x whole square. Okay, see, just putting the value of v, wherever x no changing, and c also same, and here I am using the log property, log m plus log n gives you log m into n, so log x into this one, x minus y by x square, y because taking LCM, x minus y, okay, take LCM, x minus y whole square divided by x square, so here it is. Okay, so what you get here, now here remains minus y by x minus c equal to log x minus y square divided by x, 1x is here, 1x square is 1x is here, x square, so 1x you can cut, so you get here x. Now if you want to remove the log, you can, we have done in the last class, that is log y is equal to x, then you can write y is equal to e power x. So if you want to cancel log, this term will become e to the power, so I write e power minus y by x minus c equal to, this log cancels, here x minus y whole square by x. This you can separate it, this x I am transferring here and this I am separating here, e power minus y by x into e power minus c, and this is as it is and x is transferred here. Then this e power minus c you can take as a capital C. Okay, I am just taking this is constant term, so taking as c, here remains x e power minus y by x equal to here x minus y whole square, where c is equal to e power minus c. So that is the solution for question number 1. Question number 2, y dash is equal to x plus y divided by x. Y dash means dy by dx. First we have to show that is homogeneous differential equation. For that, let f of xy is equal to this one, you call it as f of xy, x plus y by x. Now instead of x you put lambda x and y you put lambda y. So here lambda x plus here lambda y divided by lambda x. Take lambda common, so lambda here lambda. So lambda by lambda gives you lambda power 0 f of xy. Therefore f of xy is homogeneous function of degree 0. Therefore given differential equation, homogeneous function differential equation. So now I'll write this one, y dash s dy by dx equal to x plus y by x. So first is let y is equal to v into x. Differentiate, so dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. We already did before, okay? So I'm just directly doing it. Now instead of dy by dx, you put this value. Instead of y, you have to put v into x, okay? Y is equal to v into x. So x is as it is plus vx by x. X take common and cut by x. So I have taken here x common. Here remains 1. Here remains plus v divided by x, x cut, so you get 1 plus v. Here v, so v and v also cancel. So what you get here, x dv by dx equal to 1. Now x you transfer here, it will go in the denominator, dx you transfer here up. So we are separating the variable. Now integrate both the sides, so integral dv is equal to integral dvx by x. Integral of dv is v equal to, this is log x plus c. Put the value of v, that is y by x equal to log x plus c. Okay, x you transfer here, so y is equal to x log x plus this x also multiply with c, so x into c. So this is the required solution for the given differential equation. Question number 3. X minus y dy minus x plus y dx equal to 0. First this dx term I am transferring over here, so you get plus x plus y dx. This minus transfer here plus. Now dx transfer here and x minus y transfer here. So dy by dx equal to x plus y by x minus y. I am just writing this as a g of y by x form. So I am dividing each term by x. So here remains 1 plus, here remains y, so y by, so y by x. Divided by here x divided by x, so 1 minus y divided by x means y by x. Now this is of the form gy by x. That means right hand side of the function differential equation is of the form g of y by x. Therefore it is homogeneous function of degree 0. Therefore the given differential equation is a homogeneous. So if homogeneous, then first is y is equal to vx, substitution. Differentiate, so y is dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. We have done number of times, 3-4 times we did, so now you know that. Now put this value dy by dx, this value, and instead of y by x you put as v. Okay, so I have written first this function differential equation dy by dx equal to x plus y divided by x minus y. Instead of this you are putting v plus x dv by dx. X as it is plus y vx divided by x minus vx. X takes common, cut, so you get here 1 plus v divided by 1 minus v. This v transfer here, you get minus v. Take LCM, so here 1 plus v and 1 into v is v. Minus a minus plus v into v is v square divided by 1 minus v. Plus v minus v cut. So you get here 1 plus v square divided by 1 minus v. Okay, now separate the variable. So 1 minus v you transfer, it will go numerator. 1 plus v square transfer denominator. Here dv and dx you transfer here numerator, and x you transfer here denominator. Integrating both the side. Here also I am separating. One integral 1 by 1 plus v square dv minus v by integral v by 1 plus v square dv equal to integral dx by x. Now for the middle part, that is this part, okay, this one direct formula is that, this is also direct integral. Now for this you have to use substitution method. For this you take 1 plus v square as t. Why? Because here v is there, here v square is there. The power difference is 1. So you can take the higher one as t. So we take let 1 plus v square is equal to t. Implies differentiate. So v square is 2v and 1 will be 0. So 2v dv is equal to dt. 2 you don't require, so 2 you transfer here this side, so you get v dv is equal to dt by 2. Okay, now so let us put here. So first integral. The first integral is integral 1 by 1 plus v square dv. That is tan inverse v. Okay, direct formula. Minus instead of v dv. Okay, instead of v dv you are going to put dt by 2. So I have put here dt by 2. Denominator is 1 plus v square. Okay, that will come t is equal to this integral dx by x will give you log x plus c. Okay, so directly I have done. Now this integral is left. This also is log, so right, this one is as it is minus 1 by 2 log t. Okay, plus equal to log x plus c. Now we'll put the value tan inverse p as v by x equal to, now this minus 1 by 2 I am transferring here, so equal to 1 by 2 plus. Okay, minus becomes plus 1 by 2 log, instead of t you have to put 1 plus v square. So put 1 plus v square plus log x plus c. Now v square value also put y by x, but here square, so y square by x square. Take LCM, x square plus y square divided by x square. This is as it is, this is as it is. This also will go as it is. Now here this is log and this is also log. Okay, so we'll combine these two, but before that I have to take the LCM. Okay, you can take LCM. Here 2 is there, so you need 2 here. Okay, so I multiply by 2. Okay, so what you get is here is before multiplying you just log m by n, you separate it. Log m divide by log m minus log n. Okay, log m by n can be written as log m minus log n. So 1 by 2 log x square plus y square minus 1 by 2 log x square. So this 1 by 2 and 2 power will cut. Okay, 2 power you can bring here. So 1 by 2 into 2 cut. So it remains minus log. See, I have written here this log x is as it is and plus c is as it is. So in this next step, when 2 cut, you get minus log x plus log x. These 2 log x can be cut. One is negative, one is positive. So what you get, this side is tan inverse y by x equal to here 1 by 2 log x square plus y square plus dc. This is already cancelled. So that is the solution for question number 3. Question number 4. X square minus y square dx plus 2xy dy equal to 0. First you have to write as dy by dx form. So first this x term I am transferring over here, dx term I am transferring over here, so it becomes negative. Here remains 2xy dy equal to this to transfer minus x square minus y square dx. Dx you transfer over and 2xy you transfer over, it will go over this side, so it go denominator, and this dx will go denominator. So you get dy by dx equal to minus x square minus y square divided by this 2xy. Then I'll divide by x square here, both this here numerator denominator. So what I get is dy by x equal to minus x square divided by x square, so 1 minus y square divided by x square, so y by x whole square, and 2 divided by x square means 1 x square remains y by x. Okay, now this is of the form g of y by x. Okay, so what we can say is, therefore right hand side of the differential equation is of the form g of y by x. Therefore it is homogeneous differential equation of the degree 0. Therefore given differential equation is homogeneous. If it is homogeneous, you have to take y is equal to vx. Differentiate, so dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. Now let us put these values in these. Dy by dx equal to minus 1 minus y by x whole square divided by 2y by x. So here dy by dx, you put this value, v plus x dv by dx equal to minus 1 minus, instead of y by x whole square is v square divided by 2v, y by x is 2v. Okay, separate the transfer this v over here, it becomes minus v. Okay, here remains x dv by dx equal to minus 1 minus v square by 2v, and this v you transfer minus v equal to, yes, minus I am multiplying here, so minus 1 minus a minus plus v square, and this you multiply, take LCM, so minus 2v square divided by 2v. So this you can combine together. Here remains minus 1 and plus v square minus 2v square gives you minus v square divided by 2v, and from here I am taking minus common. Here remains 1 plus v square divided by 2v. Okay, now separate the variables. So 2v you transfer here, it will go numerator, and 1 plus v square transfer here, it will go in the denominator. Here dv is there equal to x and dx transfer this side, so you get minus, this minus is here, and x will go denominator, dx will go numerator. Now integrate both the sides. So integral 2v divided by 1 plus v square dv equal to integral, minus is there, dvx by dx. Then for this one you take 1 plus v square as t. Okay, substitution method. So differentiate, 1 is 0, v square is 2v dv is equal to dt. So 2v dv equal to dt, and this you are taking as t. Substitute. Now integrate, this integral is log t and this integral is minus log x plus log c. Since both are log, answer constant also is taken as log. Okay, and this minus is there, and here t value I put back, 1 plus v square log equal to log. Here we can use c minus log x plus log c. This can be written as log c by x. Okay, so log c by x, log cut, you get 1 plus v square is equal to c by x. Put the value of v, that is y square by x square equal to c by x. Take LCM here, x square plus y square, and that x square you transfer over here. So when you transfer here x square and x, so 1 x square, so you get x into c. So that is the solution for the given differential equation. Question number 5. X square dy by dx equal to x square minus 2y square plus xy. X square you transfer over here, it will go in the denominator. So dy by dx equal to x square minus 2y square plus xy divided by x square. Now let us divide this each term by x square. So what you get here, x square by x square gives you 1 minus 2y by x whole square plus 1 x cut and remains y by x. Now this is of the form g of y by x. Therefore right hand side of the differential equation is of the form g of y by x. Therefore the given differential equation is a homogeneous. If it is homogeneous, you have to take y is equal to vx, substitution. Differentiate, so dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Okay, let us put the value here. So dy by dx, I am just writing this first, 1 minus 2 y by x whole square plus y by x. Dy by dx is this value, v plus x dv by dx equal to 1 minus 2 y by x is v square plus y by x is v. This v you transfer here, so minus v and plus v cut. So here remains 1 minus 2v square. Now separate the variable and integrate. So 1 minus 2v you transfer here, it will go in the denominator. Dx you transfer, it will go numerator, and x will come denominator, integrating both the sides. Using, now this one is a standard formula. Okay, the formula is integral dx divided by 1 square, that is a square minus x square. 1 can be written as 1 square, and the answer for this is 1 by 2a log a plus x divided by a minus x. So here a is 1 and x will be root 2v. Okay, so I'll apply this and write the answer for this. So 1 by 2 from the formula, and a is 1. Then log a plus x, so a is 1 plus root 2v, 1 minus root 2v, and denominator is 1, just 1 second. It should be here plus and it should be minus here. Okay, it's a mistake. The formula is correct, but here I have made mistake, here plus and here it will be minus. Okay, so put minus here. Okay, just change it. So it is, formula is correct, right? A plus x divided by a minus x. Okay, this one. Only here I by mistake I have put minus. So here 1 plus x, x is root 2v, so root 2v divided by a minus x, so a minus root 2v, equal to, this integral is log x plus c. Okay, now here, and this root 2, why this root 2? Because coefficient of v is root 2, so I have to divide by root 2. So here you get 1 by root 2 log 1 plus root 2, put the value of v, y by x, divide by 1 minus root 2, v value is y by x, equal to log x plus c. Okay, now here let us simplify a little bit by taking LCM. So you take LCM x here and x here. Okay, and cut the denominator together. So I have written here 1 by 2 root 2 log x minus root 2y divided by x plus root 2y equal to log x plus c. So that is the solution for question number 5. Question number 6. X dy minus y dx equal to root x square plus y square dx. Okay, first you have to write as dx by dy by dx form. So for that, see here it is separated. So this dx and this dx term I am taking together. So x dy as it is equal to this, I am transferring x dx term here. So here square root of x square plus y square dx plus this y minus, you transfer here plus. So plus y dx. Take dx common and then that dx I am transferring here. So here remains dy by dx, and this x I am transferring here. So here remains square root of x square plus y square plus y, and this x you transfer, so x by x. So this can be written as square root of 1 plus y by x whole square plus y by x. So this is of the form y by g of y by x. Therefore the given differential equation is the homogeneous. If it is homogeneous, you have to put y is equal to vx. Differentiate, so dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. Take this dy by dx equal to this value, so I have taken here, and let us put the value. For dy by dx you put this value. So v plus x dv by dx equal to square root of 1 plus here v square plus v. This v and this v cut. So here remains x dv by dx equal to square root of 1 plus v square. Separate the variable and integrate. So this will come in the denominator, and the x and dx will go numerator and x will come denominator. Integrate both the side. So here also we'll use the standard result. This formula is there. The answer for this is log v plus square root of 1 plus v square equal to, this is log, and since both are log I am writing log c. And this log x plus log c can be written as log x into c. Put the value of v, that is y by x, and here also v, y square by x square. Here take LCM, so x square plus y square divided by x square, but you take out of the square root this x square, so it remains x, and this and log, this log cancel. Here y by x plus square root of x square plus y square by x plus, equal to xc. X you transfer and multiply here, so x square. So what you get is y plus square root of x square plus y square equal to x square c. So that is the solution for question number 6. Question number 7. X cos y by x plus y sin y by x, y dx equal to y sin y by x minus x cos y by x, x dy. This dx you transfer over here, it will become dy by dx, and this one you transfer over here. So what you get is, here remains x cos y by x plus y sin y by x, y divided by y sin y by x minus x cos y by x into x. Okay, so this divides as it is, and you are transferring this dx over here. So what I am doing is I am transferring this one this side. Okay, sorry, not transferring this here, but this I am transferring over here. So this value transfer here, it will go denominator, this value. Okay, this value which you can see second bracket, I have transfer over here, it goes denominator, and dx is transfer over here, it goes denominator. Okay, now here I am just multiplying y inside, so you get xy cos y by x plus y into y square sin y by x, and this denominator x multiplying inside, xy sin y by x minus x into x square cos y by x. Now divide by x square. So I divide by x square, here means y by x, cos y by x plus here divide by x square, so y by x whole square, sin y by x, and here divide by x square, so y by x sin y by x minus x square cut cos y by x, and this is of the form g of y by x. So this is homogeneous differential equation. If it is homogeneous, then you have to put y is equal to vx. Differential, so dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Put this value instead of dy by dx, and wherever is y by x, you put v. So I have put here dy by dx. Dy by dx is v plus x dv by dx, and here wherever is y by x, I have put v. So what I get is v cos v plus v square sin v divided by v sin v minus cos v. Okay, see here v, here v, here v square, here v, here also v, here v, and here also v. Okay, after that I am transferring this v over here. Okay, this v you transfer here becomes negative. Here you get v cos v plus v square sin v divided by v sin v minus cos v. Multiply here, take LCM, multiply here. So what you get here, this is as it is, v cos v plus v square sin v, and this v into v square sin v minus a minus plus v cos v. V square sin v negative, v square sin v positive, cut. So you get here v cos v plus v cos v gives you 2v cos v, and denominator as it is. Separate the variable, all this v term will come here, and x and dx will come here. So this will go in the numerator, v sin v minus cos v, and 2v cos v denominator, dv equal to, this you transfer here, dx by x. Now here I am separating this divide by this divide by this. So v sin v divided by v cos v, and cos v divided by this cos v divided by v cos v. These two actually I don't need here, so I have just transfer back here. Okay, we should have kept here before also, but I kept. After that I transfer again, so you just can keep the entities. Okay, now here v cut, you get here sin by cos gives you tan v, and here cos cut gives you 1 by v dv. Integrate both the side, so integral, and here integral. Here integral of tan is log sec v minus integral of this is log v equal to, this integral is log, and this also, since 3 are log, I write log c1. Then here combine the log together, so log sec v by v is equal to, here also combine, first combining 2 you take as a power, so log x square and c1. Log cut, so you get sec v by v is equal to x square c. Now v you transfer here, so you get c1 x square v, here c1. Okay, not only c, here is c1 because I already put c1. Then put the value of y back. Okay, so what is the y value? Y value is, sorry, what is v value? Okay, put the value of v back, that is y by x. So here sec y by x equal to c x square, and y by x, here also c1. Okay, this also let us change into c1. Okay, here y, and this one x square, and instead of y, v by x. Okay, and this sec y by x can be written as 1 by cos y by x equal to c1 by x. See x square and x, so 1 x I have cut, so you get xy. Now this cos y by x you transfer over here, so it goes numerator, and c1 you transfer, it will go in the denominator. So that 1 by c1 I am taking as c. Okay, so I have written here c equal to this xy is there, and this cos y by x, which is denominator, transferring here, so it goes numerator cos y by x. So that is the solution for the given differential equation. That is solution for question number 7. Question number 8. X dy by dx minus y plus x sin y by x equal to 0. So this y plus x sin y by x I am transferring here, so y becomes positive, and plus this x becomes negative, x sin y by x, transfer x here, so y by x minus x cut, so here remains sin y by x. Now this is the right hand side, means this side is the form of g of y by x. The right hand side of the differential equation is a form of g of y by x. Therefore it is homogeneous differential equation of degree 0, and so it is a homogeneous differential equation. So y is equal to vx, differentiate, so dy by dx equal to v x plus x dv by dx. Okay, let us put the value. I am just writing the function for this value, then dy by dx is this value, v plus x dv by dx equal to, here v minus sin v cut, so you get x dv by dx equal to minus sin v. Separate the variable, sin y you transfer here, x and dx you transfer over this side, so you get dv by sin v equal to minus dx by x, minus just keep here. and 1 by sine can be written as cosec, and integrate both the sides. So integral cosec v dv equal to minus integral dx by dx. Cosec integral is log of cosec v minus cot v equal to this integral is log x, minus is there, and since both are log, I am writing log c. Here log c minus log x gives you log c by x. Here log as it is. Now log cut, so you get here cos, and v value y by x, put y by x. Okay, here remains c by x. Now here I am writing cosec as 1 by sine y by x minus cot can be written as cos y by x divided by sine y by x. Cos by sine, here 1 by sine. Then sine y by x transfer over here. Here you get 1 minus cos y by x. This x I am transferring here equal to c, and this sine y by x here. So that is the solution for question number 9. Question number 8. Next is question number 9. Y dx plus x log y by x dy minus 2x dy equal to 0. From these two I have to take dy common. Okay, so I have taken dy common, and this y dx I am transferring here, making it minus y dx. And here taking dy common, here remains x log y by x minus 2x. Then transfer dx here, and this one will go in the denominator. Okay, and then I am dividing each term by x. So you divide here by x, so minus y by x. Here you divide by x, so here remains log y by x. Here you 2x, so divide by x, you get 2. So this is of the form g by x, g of y by x. Therefore it is homogeneous differential equation. The power is 0. Okay, therefore this is of the form g of y. Therefore the homogeneous function is of degree 0, and given differential equation is a homogeneous. If it is homogeneous, you have to put y is equal to vx, and differentiate dy by d is equal to v plus x dv by dx. So instead of dy by dx, you put this value. So first I am writing this one, minus y by x divided by log y by x minus 2. dy by dx is v plus x dv by dx equal to y by x is v. This is log v minus 2. This v you transfer here, minus v. Okay, and this negative I am giving to the denominator. So log v becomes negative. That is I have written second place, and minus a minus plus 2, that I have written in the first place. Now take LCM. So what you get is v minus 2v plus v log v. Okay, just multiply here. So 2v minus a minus plus v log v. V minus 2v gives you minus v. Here v plus log v as it is, denominator as it is. This side remains x dv by dx. From this I am taking v common and changing the order. So log v minus 1, 2 minus log v. Okay, now let us transfer this, separate the variable. This you transfer here, it will go numerator. This you transfer in the denominator. So you get 2 minus log v divided by v log v minus 1 dv, and dx and x you transfer dx by x. Before integrating, I will make little arrangement. So 2 can be written as 1 plus 1, and minus log v here, and this is here. Okay, now I am going to separate 1 by this, and this one 1 minus log v minus 1 by this one. Okay, so I have written here 1 divided by v log v minus 1 by this. From these two taking minus common, here remains log v minus 1 divided by v log v minus 1 dv equal to dx by x. Now here this one will cut, so you get here 1 by v, and here you get 1 by v log v minus 1. Integrate both the side. Now when you integrate this, you have to take as a t. So log v minus 1 is equal to t. Differentiate, so 1 by v dv by equal to dt. Okay, so now 1 by v dv will give you dt, and this you are taking as t. So I am separating the integral dt by t minus integral, this is 1 by v dv equal to integral dx by x. So this is log t. Then t value I have put back as a log v minus 1, minus this is log v equal to here log x plus log c. Okay, all are log, so putting constant as log. This I am applying the log, plus I am putting the value of v as y by x. So this log v m minus log n means log v m by n. So log v, that is y by x minus 1 divided by v, that is y by x, equal to here log m plus log n, that is log x into c. Okay, m into n. Here log cut, so now you get log y by x minus 1, and this y by x I am transferring here. So y by x cx, x cut. So you get y into c. Here you get log y by x minus 1 equal to y by c. So that is the solution for question number 9. We'll keep this much. Thank you very much.